Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing good, at least as good as you can be out there. Today I'm gonna redo what I did on my nails here, just on one nail. I either didn't press record or aliens zapped my footage. I don't know, I sat there talking to myself apparently and my little birdies for quite a while. I'm just gonna do it on one nail and I'm gonna change up a few things. The products I used is Modelones Shiny Platinum Nail Gel number 4, and I'll have links to all these below. And I used the Modelones Glitter Gel in Pure Snow. This is number 10, but I added a little extra of these microfine glitter into it. I'm sure the nail candy shop can help you out finding it if you'd like. I just poured just a little bit straight into the container because I have 2 of these, so I saved one. So this is the second item I'm going to use, and I just stirred it up with a little toothpick and let it set for like a day so it had no air bubbles in it. And I did stickers on my nails. Originally I saw this from Talia's Nail Tales, and I'll link her channel down below. She did it in blue, a beautiful blue, like a winter design in hard gel, and she did stamping. And well, I had some stickers sitting here and I just wanted to do stickers. And let me tell you, getting them to lay flat was a pain. They were ripping and shredding on me. And I had a little birdie chasing my glitter gel brush, so it was horrible. I mean, he's literally like on my hand. I'm trying to do it. If you haven't seen a video with him on my cuticle tool, check out the video that I'll link up here. It's at the end of that video. It's quite cute. Right now, I actually snuck away while he's playing, so I get to play a little nails without him for at least like 1 minute. So what I did was, this is base coated, prepped, base coated. The base coat's cure, base coat's sticky like it usually is. Doesn't have to be. And what I did, actually, let me back up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What I did on my nails, since you know my tips are kind of clear, I put just a super very thin coat of amethyst from Modelones just on the free edge, right up to where you would do like a French manicure line. I put it on and just wiped it off, just a smidge of that, because you could see the color through it, or you could see some light through it, and I just wasn't going for that look at the time. But since this is a fake nail, it doesn't matter. It's all the same color. So I put it on, and then wherever I decided to put the glitter up to, I just kind of did like this. Just kind of made like a glitter fade out. Now of course today it's not going to work. My little helper actually helped me, I guess. Just flatten it all out how you want it. Make sure it's good and flat. If you want any extras on there, you can put extras on there, and just give this a cure. Okay, now the purple is all cured, and then what she did was actually before her hard gel was cured, which hard gel, just you can't build a nail with this. She put down some glitter that matched this. She used a pretty chunky one, and she just put it right into the wet gel, but since it's sticky, you could just brush it right on into there. One I found that would match this really well is Poppin' Bottles Aviator from the nail candy shop. So I'm not going to do that. I didn't do it on my own nails. I'm just going to get some of this luscious glitter, and I haven't stirred it up in like a week. Just making sure that I've got little and big chunks on my brush. And then this is like cool magic. Just do it right over, but put most of your little chunkies up here. Just put it right over, and it just kind of, I don't know, magically blends it in. This one probably could have, how I did it, probably could have used some of those glitter dots in it, glitters in there, but I managed to get them pretty well faded in here. And I'll give this a cure, and then I'm going to come and show you some more stuff that she did. Okay, now it's cured and it's sticky because I haven't put top coat on it yet. You could go ahead and put top coat on or wipe off the sticky layer, buff it out a little bit if you've got it really lumpy. But since this is a practice nail, we're just going to go for it. I did, on a couple of my nails, had to buff them out just to get the stickers to lay flatter, but I still had stickers rolling. Those stickers I'm through with. I'm going to stamp on this. So at Modelones and at the nail candy shop, NOI 15 can save you 15%. I'm going to stamp from Beauty Big Bang XL021, this image right here. So I like to put my stamping plate on a hard surface. I just use a gift card, Walmart gift card. I have some stamping polish from Yayoji. There you can save money as well, yayoji.com. All these companies are listed down below in the description box. They sell regular nail polish and stamping polish, and it works pretty good. This one I think is probably a year and a half old now, almost 2 years old. I think in November it'll be 2 years old, and it still works really, really well. I appreciate that. Any stamping polish? I have some expensive ones that I bought, and they just didn't. Money's not always. And then she just stamped on the image. She had a different image, of course. And just roll it, just push it down. And since I've got a little bit sticking up, I just tap it down with my nail. You don't want to touch the gel. And that's your design. I mean, it's simple, but it's multi-layered at the same time, and I really, really love them. I wish I would have stamped my nails. I really want to do them in a blue like she did. So I'll have Talia's Nail Tales down below. If you've never seen her, check her out. She does a lot of hard gel videos, but you can interpret them into nail polish or gel polish. And I'm going to give you a picture of these at the end. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.